So let's get started. So right now we're in a winter feast because it's December 9th because it's almost Christmas. And this, probably they have feast days in Prodigy. The first one comes is spring feast, then summer feast, then starlight festival, then pumpkin feast, and then last but not least Christmas feast. So right now is Christmas feast because it's winter and it's almost Christmas. So this one, Sophia Fairy Woman, that's me. I have earmuffs. I have a kind of like a coat, like a outfit, but it's kind of warm. And then I have skates, and then a candy cane wand, and this bracelet because it's winter, because that's why it has blue, and my buddy baby reindeer. So I did this because it's winter and it's winter feast. So we do that. We do skating, ice skating. We eat candy canes. We wear earmuffs to keep warm in the winter. We also wear a coat to keep warm in the winter. Reindeers are also, when Santa Claus does that, they help him because they eat the meals. And that wand is Christmassy because it's winter and it's blue. Blue means winter. Yeah. So we're going to do some battles. So we're going to go in Fairy Forest. I got all the gems, like these gems. So I put the Fairy Forest gem in a place, kind of like a tower where you put gems. So I didn't put these gems. These are gems. This is only a gem. So these are gems that where we did have to battle like a big boss, and then we battled him, and I got all of them. So we're gonna do battle. Still going. Okay. Now we're gonna click that way. Okay, now there's a lot of pets, so we're gonna click one pet. Okay, now we're battling him. So we're going to click anything that we want to pick to battle him. Now there's a quiz. It says add. It says 18 plus 25. So you can use your fingers or your brain. So I'm going to use my hands because hands also help you. And also, so probably you know that 8 plus 5 is 10, 11, 13. But how can you put 13? 13 is not the answer in this. So, if there's a bigger number than if it was 9 and 0, you can put 9 if you like. But if it's inside of 10, you can put the numbers. But if it's outside of 10, like the rest of the numbers outside of 10, like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, these ones, you can't put that. That is not the answer. So if it was 13, the answer 13, you have to put a 3. If it's 14, 4, 15, 5, and then for 16, 6. So for this, it makes 13. So you add eventually a 3 because you start at ones. But this is the problem. The problem is that my computer, this doesn't let me start at ones. It doesn't let me, my computer. So I always have to start in the tens. Mostly for real, you have to start in the ones, but my computer is kind of weird and doesn't work. So it's letting me start at the tens. So I do have to start at the tens, but for real, you have to start in the ones. But it's kind of tricky. It doesn't work. So when I want to do the ones, so I have to start at the tens. So first, the 10 says, actually, if you have a good computer in your Prodigy and you have this question, you can easily start at 1, but 1, it doesn't work for me. It only lets me do the 10s first and then the 1s. So after when you've done the 1s, you can't, so you put 1, like, the tens place, you put 1 more. So it's 2 plus 1 is 3. But if the other number in the ones place is bigger, you can't, 3 is the wrong answer. You have to, it's 4 because you add 1 more, like 1 like this on the top, 1 right here, 1. So it's 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 2 is 4. Because it's 2 and then 3 and 4. That's the answer because you got 1 more. If the other 10s, if it's 9, you don't have to add 1 more. So the answer is 43. So these are kind of like, there's different questions. This is my question, but if there's another question in yours, if you want to download Prodigy, it's kind of like it has different questions for you. And then when you go first time, it has 5 pets and you pick one. So this one is like kind of tricky. So 5 plus 6 is a bigger number. So I'm going to count. So 11. So it's bigger than inside of 10. So I would put a 1 because 11 has 1 in it on the bottom of the side. Not on the first, on the tens place in 11. On the ones place is 1. If it's 13, it has to be 3. So oh yeah, I forgot. Remember I tell you sometimes the computer doesn't work. It doesn't let me start at the ones. It lets me start at the tens. But for real, you have to start in the ones. So it's kind of tricky, but I really want to start at the ones, but the computer is kind of hard. So I have to start in the tens. But if your computer lets you start at ones, you can, because that's more good. So 3 plus 3 is 6. But I'm telling you that add 1 more because the other ones place has the bigger number. So it's 7 because 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1 is 1 more you add is 7. So 7 and 11. So 71. Okay. So, oops. Nothing or there. Okay, I think this means that I finished adding to 100. I completed the skill. If you have more like these, like plus and adding, you can do it by yourself because I showed. But I paid money because I really wanted to be a membership. If you want to be a membership and your dad says no, it still makes you sad, but sometimes you have to pay money a lot. So when you win first time, I'll say membership. Look. So it's going to show you a video. I'm already a membership. See, if you see an M in my place where I'm clicking M, that means I'm a membership. But this is a video that I'm going to show you about the membership, but I'm already the member. There you go. So that was, whoops. I'm really sorry, but it was just an accident that it just like I accidentally clicked something and then it take me somewhere, so I didn't see you, but that's okay. That was just an accident. I was showing you the membership and then I clicked something. I didn't want to click it, but accidentally I clicked it and then I didn't see you because I'm not in the place. So I'm really sorry, but I just didn't want to go there. So I think we'll do more next time in Prodigy, but I hope you had fun doing Prodigy with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!